guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Maria Yenga. Kindly subscribe and let's get into today's tutorial. We are going to make our side dart on this dress, so pay attention guys. On your bust line, you're going to go downwards by 1 inch, and then you're going to connect that 1 inch to the point where you marked your nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. Go ahead and make a straight line to connect those 2 points like you see me showing you guys. I hope you're following. Please pay attention. And then you're going to mark half an inch from each side, half an inch from each side of that point. And then from the point in the middle, the nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 there, go ahead and go outwards by 1.5 inches. And then after you make a dart to connect that point that you just marked. That is how you make your side dart. So now after getting that side dart, we have to replace it on the full hem of your dress, even if it's a top guys. So you're going to mark that it's 1 inch for me. I don't know how much you marked, but you're going to go down to the full hem, the full length of your dress, and mark that 1 inch downwards, so that when you make a stitch for the dart, you are not going to have a shorter front part of your dress. So go ahead and mark it right there, and then you connect it like you see me doing guys to your dress. Let's go ahead and make stitches to secure the darts guys. Please make sure your pieces look like this. In case of any questions, kindly put it in the comment section and I'll always be there to answer as always guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.